Abbas's comments came during a meeting of the Palestinian National Council. He said, "The hatred of the Jews is not due to their religion, but rather due to their social role. If so, it's a different issue. Therefore, the Jewish problem that was common in all of the states of Europe against the Jews was not due to their religion, but rather due to their social role that was connected to usury and banks and so forth." Condemnation of Abbas's remarks came from all over. Yad Vashem, Israel's Holocaust memorial, forcefully condemned Abbas for blaming the Holocaust not on anti-Semitism, but for social behavior of Jews who dealt in loans and banking. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu tweeted, "The Palestinian president again recited the most contemptible anti-Semitic canards. Apparently, the Holocaust denier is still a Holocaust denier. I call on the international community to condemn his severe anti-Semitism. The time has come for it to pass from the world." Even the New York Times called for Abbas to step down. In an editorial entitled, "Let Abbas's vile words be his last as Palestinian leader," the paper said, Mr. Abbas's vile speech was a new low, and by succumbing to such dark, corrosive instincts, he showed that it is time for him to leave office. Whether Abbas leaves office remains to be seen. Despite his comments, the Palestinian National Council re-elected Abbas to a new term as chairman of the PLO.